How's it going, you guys? Alright, so you're watching the video that I am currently editing right now, but I had to add a preface to this video. So I filmed this before I hit 10,000 subscribers, and as of today, August 4th, we actually crossed over 10K. Now, this is not the thank you video for it. This is just a video I wanted to get up, so that way there's some more content coming out. There will be an actual thank you for 10K video, so don't worry about that. That will be happening. You guys deserve it, and I honestly cannot say thank you enough. I also want to preface, as I was editing, there's a scene where I say something, and it kind of sounds like Sierra and I are having trouble. We are not having trouble. Her and I are okay. It was just something that happened within our family that was rough. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the video. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Power Stoked YouTube channel. Thank you guys for checking in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to the channel. Lots of new stuff coming to the channel. As you can see, we got the pit bike. I actually pulled off all the stickers. Pretty excited about that. It looks a lot better. I got the Bilstein stickers thrown on there because I've got the new Bilsteins that are coming for the truck. Well, okay, sorry, not coming for the truck. They're here. I just need to install them on the truck. But nonetheless, we got a lot of new stuff on the channel. I'm very excited. We'll be riding the pit bike around, doing some fun stuff with that, trail rides, stuff like that. So there's gonna be a little bit of that kind of content on the channel now. But enough of that. We got another new thing to add to the channel. I'm holding the keys right here. This is my wife's new rig. So let's go ahead and open up the garage so you guys can finally see what's going on. Alright, you guys, so this is my wife's 2021 GMC Canyon Denali. This thing, quite an impressive truck. It is a mid-size truck, as you can see, compared to the Ford right next to it. But this thing has a lot of room, and I'm a big guy. But I can sit in front, back, wherever, and I have plenty of room. So you guys, this has been in the works for about 2 months. My wife ordered the truck about 2 months ago, and with all the shortages and everything going on, we weren't going to see the truck until 2022. Now I know first world problems, but my wife and I, we had the 2015 Honda CR-V Touring. It was a really reliable car. We liked it a lot, and it was roomy and did everything we needed, but we're eventually going to need it to do a lot more. So I'll end up doing a full review on this truck so you guys can see everything, but basically I just wanted to cover the spec, really basic stuff that really impressed. So it's actually a V6, but it produces over 300 horsepower and has a towing rating of like 7,500 pounds, which is absolutely insane, I thought, for this truck. It's a little mid-sized pickup, but the fact that it would be able to haul a horse trailer with a couple horses and some tack and still be just fine, pretty impressive. It's got a nice big 8-inch touchscreen up front. We've got the nice gauges here with the digital in the middle telling you how many miles you got left on your tank. This truck has 451 miles when we've already put over 200 miles on the rig. And then it also displays like the local speed limit and obviously how fast you're going. But like I said, I will do a full in-depth video. I'll strap some GoPros to it. I'll go rip it around so you guys can actually experience it, but it's still new. So her and I obviously are doing a lot of home improvement stuff on the house, or now that I've got the pit bike, I'm gonna have to haul the pit bike, and the Ford isn't obviously always reliable. She didn't want to get a full-size truck, so she didn't have to worry about parking it in different places, and she wanted something that was just nimble like the Honda. And let me tell you what, guys, this thing hits the nail on the head. Now, with it being the Denali, you get all the creature comforts. You get like heated seat, cooled seat, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, all sorts of fun stuff like that. Like I said, I will go over all in depth in my next video, but I wanted to show this off to you guys, show off the new rig. She is super excited about it. I'm super excited about it. This is officially the newest and nicest car we have both ever purchased. Now I know this isn't like the craziest, most fun video, and it's gonna be pretty short this week. This actually wasn't a very good week for Sierra and I will explain later when it's not so hard to talk about and we're a little bit moved past it, but something pretty heartbreaking happened. But like I said, I will do a full in-depth review video of this, and we will tell you eventually what happened this week. Still very fresh, still very hard to wrap our head around, but this has been a huge blessing, and honestly, thank you guys so much. This has been quite the ride, and you guys have obviously helped us get to this point with you guys watching and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. And don't worry, there will be more stuff coming with the Ford. I've got a whole pile of parts piling up over here. We've got shock, we've got some new boots to put on. We've got the stereo to redo. I've got air filter cleaner coming so I can properly show how to clean an S&B filter. Small stuff like that, but good stuff that is gonna be really handy for the channel and pretty handy for anybody that's got a 7.3. And now that everything is finally opening back up, I will be getting the high pressure oil pump fixed. Worst case, I'm gonna have to buy a new one. That's gonna be a little bit of money to get, but we will try to get to a dyno event this year, and if not, we'll have to figure something else out. But I got something planned for the 10K subscriber special. Now I know this video has been all over the place emotionally, but let me tell you what, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have been awesome. You guys helped us get to this, I mean, amazing part of our lives, and honestly, it's been so much fun. So let me tell you what, go ahead and head down to the description below, grab some merch, support the channel, it helps me out a lot. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share with all your friends. Let's get this channel to 10K. I've got something pretty special planned with this truck here. Something about maybe getting rid of the rear tires, we'll see. So, like I said, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.